Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are enjoying good health. It's your lecture of English and today we are going to start our new topic, and today's topic is creative writing. Dear students, you must all know about creative writing as its name indicates that it expresses ideas and thoughts in an imaginative way. It's the art of making things up or putting the ideas into words. मतलब कि हमारे जहन के अंदर कोई भी जो बात हम सोचते हैं किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में, चाहे वो हकीकत पर मबनी है या नहीं है, मतलब जैसे कि हम कभी परियों के बारे में सोचते हैं या कभी हम जिन भूत के बारे में सोचते हैं, तो इस तरह की कोई भी चीज़ या कोई भी ख्याल जो हमारे जहन में आता है और जब हम उसको लिखना शुरू कर दें तो वो हमारा तख्लीकी काम या क्रिएटिव राइटिंग कहलाता है. Now here we have some techniques for creative writing, that which steps we should follow while writing something creative. So the first one is character development. Dear students, in this technique you have to choose your character. You have to provide complete information about the character you are using. For example, you have to tell that whether your character was anxious, optimist, or he was in anger, or he was in a mood of joy, or something else. Next we have plot development. Dear students, plot development is sequence of events taken place in the creative writing. Like what is the sequence going to be of your creative writing? Like first of all you are going to write down the introduction, then some story, or then climax, and then whatever. Next we have vivid setting. Vivid setting means that your creative work should be very clear. Your story or your sequence, what you are writing, should be very clear. It can also build the mood of your story or whatever you are writing. So next we have point of view. Point of view includes that what is the purpose of your writing. For which purpose you are writing, what is the basic idea of your writing. Next is metaphors and similes. You use metaphors and similes to make your work more attractive. Next we have figurative language. Dear students, this point is also quite similar to the previous one we have just discussed about metaphors and similes. Means you must use figurative language to make your writing more attractive. Means you can also use idioms, phrases, or proverbs in your creative writing. Last is description. This is one of the very important technique that you should describe whatever you are writing in a fully meaningful way. Means your meaning, what you want to say, is totally conveyed to the reader and the reader enjoyed your creative work or the writing. Now dear students, it's not necessary that you always write an essay or a paragraph in your creative writing. You can also write some poetry or a play, drama and film script, novel, short stories, songs, speech, personal essay, or diary entries. Means you can write whatever you want. These all are the types of creative writing. Now let's move towards our today's topic of creative writing. So the topic I have selected is My Strangest Dream. Now all of you just close your eyes for 120 seconds and think of the strangest dream you have ever seen. So now let's discuss one of them and then you have to write your own. Fine? So let me tell you about one of my strangest dream. I am going to tell you about my strange dream. Yesterday I went to bed and everything was calm. I fell asleep and in a moment I appeared in blackness, means in darkness. I called if someone could hear me, but no one answered. I walked and walked until I saw a light. I went towards it and again I appeared in a forest with the birds singing and dancing. I listened to it, but then in a moment all went into flames. A voice screamed so loud that I fell down. I stood up and ran into the light. Again and again I appeared in a strange place. Now I was in a cup filled with coffee. I tried to get out, but I couldn't. Then I appeared in the darkness again, and I went into a green light. Suddenly I was in a bathtub filled with ducks. I scratched my head and asked myself how this was possible. Then I just woke up. I was all sweaty and I laughed quietly at myself. So, dear students, this was all about my strangest dream ever. Now, your homework is that you have to write a creative paragraph of about 200 words on the topic My Strangest Dream. So, dear students, this was all about today. Take care. Allah Hafiz.